Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Brave Shields. Okay, so first up, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off Brave Shields for specific websites, and the second was for global settings or for all websites. So for a specific website, let's go ahead and go to Facebook right here. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead and go to the top, click on this shield or Brave icon, and make sure that this one is disabled. Okay, untick it. All right, when you untick it, all the ads will be shown. So for global settings, just go ahead over to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines and click on settings. Right here, go ahead over to the left panel and click on shields. Now in here, what you do is just go ahead and turn off. Under trackers and ads blocking, click on the drop down and just click on disabled. Okay, click on it. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and test it out. Just open up a new tab. Open up maybe YouTube. As you can see here, even if the shield is up right here at the top right, we'll still have an ad. That is it. That is how you turn off Brave Shields. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.